This is the K80 robotic pool cleaner by iGarden, and this is my unboxing. But unlike most unboxings, I've actually been using the robotic pool cleaner for a couple of weeks now, and so I'm going to give you some of my thoughts along the way retroactively. Starting with this one. That is an oversized, colorful, great pictures starter guide, all you need to know to get started, although the app is really good and really helpful too. You just saw the hook there, you just attach that to any pool pole that you already have, and when the unit is done cleaning, it will always put itself right next to the side of the pool so you can easily get it out. And that right there, that's the power cable, that's the plug, that's the adapter, and that's when I knew this is probably going to be a really good pool cleaner because they put a little extra attention to detail. It's into that piece. It's rugged, it's rigid, it's thicker, it's just a better cable. Once you get yours, you'll see what I mean. All right, that's the user manual. Again, the starter guide is great. The app is wonderful, but that user manual is nice to fall back on as well. All right, so check out this packaging. We've got layers and layers and layers of plastic, not to mention the styrofoam, and then this last piece right here is actually like a white cloth sheet. And that just drapes over there. So when your pool cleaner shows up, there is going to be no scratches. They've done a really great job packaging it. Well done, iGarden. I appreciate that. All right, now look at the unit itself. It's black. It's got this red. It's really an attractive piece. It's built like a race car, built like a Bugatti motorcycle, and I'm just really impressed by it. It's very simple, but also very feature rich. Let me show you a few of those. This is the filter. It's a micro filter. It'll pick up your leaves and your bugs and your acorns and your rocks and all that stuff, but also sand. That's a big test. Will it pick up the sand? And it will pick up the sand and everything else in your pool and also in your hot tub. Now this thing does have some weight to it. It's not heavy like in a bad way. It's actually heavy in a quality way. Like it's got some girth to it. It's not too much, but it definitely feels solid and like it's been really well made. Some of the other things I'd like to tell you is like the tread and the scrubbers and the propeller, anything that possibly could go wrong with this in the future, you can change those yourself. Like the propeller is just hidden by 4 screws. It's just a really well but simple piece. I think I'm gonna have a really great experience with it. All right, so that's the iGarden K80. I did mention the app earlier. There's a touch screen on this pool cleaner and it's wonderful. The exact same options and a little bit more are available on the app, and it really is a fantastically intuitive app. It's beautiful, just like the machine. I just can't say it enough, but I'm really impressed with this K80. The 80 means 8 hours. There's 60s out there, which means it has a 6-hour capacity, and there's smaller and even larger. Pick the battery size, save some money, go smaller. Pick the larger one and go, you'll spend more money, but you get a larger battery. It's just it's a fabulous unit, but the battery is incredible. 8 hours, I mean, good grief. That is so good. So, all right, hope this helps. iGarden did send this to me for a review. This is my review. I've got another couple of reviews out there. Hope you can watch those too, but man, so impressed. Well done, iGarden. This is the K80. Love it.